Welcome to Lunchtime with Pro World. I'm Danielle.
I'm Jessie.
And I'm Bianca behind the camera today.
And if you haven't realized, it's our Easter special. Yay! So even though we have a few inches of snow outside, it's not quite spring. It feels a little weird. I feel like it's not time to eat jelly beans and, talk about the Easter Bunny visiting next week.
I agree.
True.
But he's not stopping, so neither will we. We went to the dollar store. Yay for the dollar store.
My favorite place.
We got a lot of fun stuff. These baskets include
there's one right here I was going to zoom in on.
This has no detail whatsoever for you, but this side does. So we got these, and they're like cloth,
canvas,
weird burlap. I don't know.
I feel like the ears are cloth, and then the basket's burlap.
But you know what? They're super cute and adorable, and perfect for heat pressing.
Yes.
So we're gonna do that. We have some burlap bags here from the dollar store as well that we're gonna customize and put names on the back. Like, how cute is this? Bianca, we'll zoom up. We added little pink glitter to the front part. How cute is that? Like his little nose. So we're gonna go ahead and heat press the back side. So we're just upcycling these things.
We also have these. We're going to put adhesive vinyl on. So you could put like candy in here, little, even money if you're going to do the,
That'd be see-through though.
Yeah.
Or anything small. We'll put in it.
And of course, you have to have squad goals.
Yes.
I have to have those peeps.
So
it's not
cute.
Easter without peeps.
I love peeps.
I can't wait to eat peeps.
So we're going to make this t-shirt too. So a lot of fun activities for you today. We're going to get going because why not? All right, so the first one we are going to do, this is for a first Easter basket. So we're going to go ahead and we already printed her name on this side. And we are going to do first Easter 2018 on this side. And it's super easy. You just place your vinyl where you want it.
And we're using Siser regular Easy Weed, right?
Yep. So we're down. We're gonna just hang most of it off the heat press. Cover with our nonstick sheet. And
Oh, good catch.
we'll just scoot that there. And you know what? If you close and lock it for me, that would be awesome.
It's
Hold on.
scooting.
Sure is. All right. Now we're good.
Your hand okay?
I'm good.
All right.
Perfect. So standard Easy Weed, we're at 304 degrees for about 10 seconds. And that'll get nice and printed. And so cute.
I love that.
That
we
is a
just
genius idea.
Personalized her little Easter basket.
Which they probably sell for like $25, and I think it was like, what, $2?
This is true dollar store right here.
Oh, is it?
This is
$1.
a dollar.
Well, like those Dollar General stores, they're
where
like
it's not quite
not
a dollar.
everything's
No.
a dollar.
Yeah.
Bianca, when I go to the
Dollar
dollar store,
Tree.
I go to the
Hey, man,
dollar
good for
store.
you. Good for you.
All right, so let's go ahead. We'll do this one because we've had 2 babies in our office today. So, or not today.
I was going to say, my goodness, talk about Easter babies.
But we have some Easter baskets to give out. So we'll put Alex on this side. We just did in navy blue. Nice little matching.
You want to come on the other side?
I think I can do this one.
You got this one?
This little ear is
There you go.
is working for me.
I think maybe it was the
Wait, was I over far enough? I don't know.
I think you're good now.
I am now. Well, we'll see.
Anybody have any questions? I haven't seen any questions pop up yet. But I don't know.
I might need you for the other ear,
Yeah. My screen went down, so I didn't see that.
Any questions coming through?
though. Do we have any people?
Oh yeah, we got tons of
okay.
people. That's how I knew we were live.
And see? Super cute.
Very nice.
Now let's do the other ear. And then we will go on to our burlap. Just center this a little bit.
It's nice that it has like lines on it.
Perfect.
You know,
you know what? That's a very good point there, Bianca.
Oh, I thought that's what you were looking at.
Not at all.
Well, then never mind. Forget I said anything.
But there, that'll work. Didn't even think about the lines.
That's what I thought you were, because you're always
Nope.
so angling and everything.
Nope.
All right. Just kidding then.
But she does bring up a very good point. I mean, this wonderful check pattern makes it super easy and convenient to line things up. All right. And peel it off. And there you go.
That is so cool.
So cute.
Very nice.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead with our burlap bags. And again, dollar store items. Super cheap.
And they came in what, like a 4-pack?
Yeah, this one actually came in a 4-pack.
That's awesome. We're gonna have to hit the dollar store after
awesome.
work.
Jesse's totally gonna go to my dollar store now.
I
She's
know.
just like, where is your dollar store?
Because I don't think our dollar
I
store
don't remember
has.
seeing anything like
I mean, I haven't been
this.
there in a while.
I've been
but-
recent, but
Okay.
maybe not recent enough.
Exactly.
All right, so that one's just gonna cook. We're working with Easy Weed still for that one. And what I like about these is that, you know, they're tiny, so you could put more than one. So cute.
Love it.
Look how cute that came out.
That's awesome.
Fill this puppy up with some, fill this bunny up with some candy. Tie it with the little burlap strings that they give you. And you have this cutest little Easter decoration.
Aww. And they look like their ears too, right? For like
Yeah.
The top.
Yeah.
That's adorable.
All right. So, Jesse, why don't you do, we also have some signed vinyl as well.
Yep.
That we're going to put on the back of these. So she's going to get that set up, and I'm going to press these other ones, and then we'll kind of all get together at the end, and we'll press the squad goals. I'm surprised we don't have any questions, though. Does anybody currently have their decorations already made for Easter?
Yeah, what's everyone making?
We want to see your stuff. There's lots of basket ideas out there.
Are they able to see what we're putting on here?
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in a second.
So we're doing cursive on the little bunnies here, and then we're gonna do the thicker font on the carrots.
We're so quiet.
I know, 'cause
Yeah,
you're
I'm,
diligently
so,
working.
Like,
In the zone.
yes. All right, so I'm gonna put all of these under the heat press.
And now you're doing that's some glitter, right?
I'm gonna bump it up. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but that makes sense. You could that way you don't have to keep opening and closing it. You could press them all at one
Yeah.
time.
It's always that little eye that gets me every time.
Oh, I know.
Get on there.
When I was doing one of the names earlier, I pulled off the G and I had the A, N, N, A, and I was like, oh, there's no I there. That's just
Whoops.
gone.
All right, so she's working with the signed vinyl, getting the squeegee. She's just gonna squeegee it as best as she can. Kind of there, it's pressure applied. So as soon as you get pressure on there, it's gonna stick to the hard plastic surface. And I have finished decorating.
In record time.
Dun, 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 dun.
They're so cute.
All right, I got one
All right.
here.
Oh, perfect! Now it's totally labeled for her, so she knows on her Easter egg hunt where to go.
Just hope she doesn't find anybody else's.
If it's not her name, she can't have it.
Exactly. Just put it right back where you found it.
This one is just like in the way. I feel like these little guys.
Well, I think because like they're just large and we didn't want to like, you know.
Steal this one here.
All I want is one big peep now. Like that's all I'm.
Ooh, I love peeps.
I know.
They're so
You
yummy.
gonna stop on the way home now?
Probably. They have at the dollar store, I think.
I think so.
All
those
right,
little
for
packs.
everybody watching, press 1 if you absolutely love peeps. Press 2 if you're like, they are the grossest thing in the world. I'll throw them in the microwave in a heartbeat just to watch them explode.
Oh my god!
No, they do. They
I
explode
never
and
knew
they
they
do
did. Do they
it.
really?
Yes.
Blow up.
I'll have to try that. I never knew that.
All right, who's commenting? Do we have any 1s or 2s? So
No.
1 if you love them, 2 if you hate them.
I'm mixed. I don't know. I don't hate them.
I like them stale. I'm a big stale person.
My sister is, but man.
I didn't realize you finished the other one too.
She's quick.
I'm trying
Cute
to get them all
that
done
is.
so you can line them up. It's a
So
little,
adorable.
A little crooked, but
It's all right. Gives it character.
exactly.
All right, so we are going to go ahead and move forward with making squiggles. So cute little peeps, all glitter. We knocked out the eyes because we're going onto a onto a dark surface. So that way you don't really need to make extra vinyl for the eyes. They're just knock them out and then the shirt color will come through. So since they're in 3 different colors, we will just focus on getting the one down first, the yellow one, and then we'll put the other colors around it.
That's your center point, so it's good to focus on that
Right.
first.
And that looks good.
And so you don't rip it like I did yesterday. It's okay. It's all good.
And when you're applying different layers, you just need to tack it down, get it on the shirt, and then remove your application tape because you are going to come back anyway and hit this a couple more times. So, you know, you don't have to keep it on there for the full time.
I usually do like, what, 5 to 7 seconds just about? Just enough to get it on there and make it stay. Because I think last week, they were only, when we did it from ISS, Joe and Brett were only doing it for a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Like 1 or 2, and I was maybe nervous.
That looks good. Maybe? Oh, good enough.
Yeah, that looks fine.
Make sure your collar's
Your
off the
non-stick
platen.
sheet's under your
Did
t-shirt.
it lose?
No, it's under the t-shirt on the heat press.
Oh.
I was going to say something when you
Who
put it
left
there.
it there?
I was going to tell you, but, you know.
We're working with the neon vinyl. The pink neon and purple, and I think just the lemon sugar.
I think it's lemon sugar, yeah.
But it's super nice. Love these colors. Nice and bright.
Jessie's just a little machine
She's
over
just
here.
knocking these out.
These.
I'm going to bring over the other
Everyone got a
50
little
eggs for you, because we do an Easter egg hunt in my backyard.
Yeah.
So
Oh
you
my
can just,
gosh.
vinyl all of them for me.
It's all the work I'm doing at home.
Yeah, that's exactly
It's very
right.
quick.
All right, now let's get squad goals printed underneath, and we are set. Look at how pretty that purple is on
I
there.
really like
Love
that
that.
purple.
Like, ooh, so pretty.
I like all of those colors. They're all so Eastery and
And
pretty
very, very peep.
Yes.
These are all very peep colors. See, Bianca's totally throwing me off here. Wow, you cut this vinyl super crooked.
Did I? Sorry.
Like everybody, look at that carrier
Aw,
sheet.
my
Like,
bad.
look how crooked that is. She's not helping me out
Sorry.
whatsoever.
Well, the vinyl, the whole
No,
vinyl thing
no,
was
no.
crooked. Listen, I was here very early today.
Bianca's helping me out today.
First one came out fine. Nice
Ha.
and straight.
That's okay. My eyes are just gonna play tricks on me for this one.
Yep. Just line it up with the bottom of the peeps.
Maybe it's like
No, that looks.
Does it
that
look
looks
straight?
straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just line it up with the bottom of the peep butt, and it'll be fine.
But
Peep butt. All right. Close and lock, and we're gonna do it for the full time now, so that way all the layers stay on. Anybody out there? Any questions?
We may have to look into our settings. I'm not really sure why we're not getting any.
I wasn't able to
Oh,
open
no.
it. It keeps stopping on my
Okay.
phone.
But we're still live. We still have viewers, so.
No comments at all?
Well, if we have any comments and you guys are filtering them all in, then we will definitely, follow up with the comments. We read all of them,
Yeah.
as they come through. So we'll be answering.
And we do apologize about not getting to them. That's perfectly straight.
I know because I'm awesome.
I see. I didn't know that was it. Very
And then
nice.
there's this other one.
So
Very
and look, I mean,
cute.
like you can't even tell that those little eyes are not black.
No,
on
you
a
really
navy blue
can't.
shirt, it's totally fine.
Very nice.
And now we have squad goals.
Yes.
Oh, and you guys are like a little squad too.
She's left
Wait,
her.
you know what?
We all need one. You
I know.
Maybe on like Easter Monday we'll all sport our shirts.
have to add another one for Jess.
Yes.
Yes. So that's
All
2
right.
more.
So sorry if we didn't answer your question.
We'll get to them. I
We'll get right back
promise.
to them. But these are, obviously upcycling your dollar store items. They're way better than what you could purchase at
Yeah.
the dollar store. We've totally, enhanced our burlap bag, our baskets, little eggs.
They're so cute.
So super fun projects to do and just in time for Easter. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll answer your questions when we see them. And we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.